Recently, the Indira Gandhi National Open University organized a 5-day international conference on advances in computational mathematics. And at this point in the program, we thought you would like to know more about it. So here we bring you a report. The Jamia Hamdard Conference Hall at Tughlaqabad, New Delhi was the venue of this conference, which was attended by eminent mathematicians and scientists from all over the world. The Deputy Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. Girija Vyas, inaugurated the conference by lighting the symbolic lamp. The key persons who were behind this conference were the eminent mathematicians, Professor H.P. Dikshit, Pro Vice Chancellor, IGNOU, and Professor C.A. Michelli from IBM. In his welcome address, Professor Dikshit said,
"It was felt that in our country, de-emphasis has to be laid to recent developments in the area of common interest to mathematicians and computer scientists. And the National Board entrusted Indira Gandhi National Open University with the job of holding first workshop, which should create awareness and create enthusiasm amongst Indian scholars to accept and develop new ideas like wavelet theory, which are very recent."
In his presidential address, Professor V.C. Kulandaiswamy, Vice Chancellor, IGNOU, mentioned,
"Mathematicians in the past depended on the support of patrons and kings. Even a prolific contributor like Euler had to move from Kaiser of Germany to the Tsar of Russia, or from the Tsar of Russia to the Kaiser of Germany. Mathematics did not offer any economic value. At the most, a good mathematician could be a good professor or a teacher. It is only the advent of computers which made mathematics a profession with opportunities for employment. And it is here that computational mathematics has a great role to play."
In her inaugural speech, Dr. Girija Vyas said,
"After the computer came into existence, I think our relationship became only I-it relationship. The other person has become an object for us. Now we should come down to the relationship of I super thou and I thou relationship. Now the time has come, friends, when we should not confine only on science, but science and philosophy, computer and values, and mathematics and spiritualities should go together."
The vote of thanks was delivered by Professor P.K. Jain. Later on, in 18 sessions, eminent mathematicians from India and abroad presented their papers. Professor W. Daman, Professor Dikshit, Dr. A. Ojha, Professor L. A. Raphael, Professor R. N. Goldman, Professor D. Geyer, Professor C. K. Chui, Professor A. Zalik, Professor A. Pinkus, Professor M. J. D. Powell, Professor Gilbert Strang, and the recipient of the Field Medalist Award, Professor S. Male. Research in any field loses its importance unless its benefits reach out to a large number of people. Here, distance education is a great help. Learning of science and technology through distance education was the topic of the last session of the conference, which was presided over by Professor V.C. Kulandaiswamy. 2 papers were presented, one by Professor V.V. Mandke and another by Professor B.N. Kaul, both from IGNOU.
चौबीस फरवरी 1992 को निर्माणोत्तर केंद्र के उद्घाटन समारोह पर माननीय श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी, उपाध्यक्ष योजना आयोग, तथा भारत में जापान के राजदूत आदरणीय श्री शुंजी कोबायाशी मुख्य अतिथि थे। श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी ने निर्माणोत्तर केंद्र का उद्घाटन किया। आदरणीय श्री शुंजी कोबायाशी ने ज्ञान का प्रतीक द्वीप प्रज्वलित किया। केंद्र के इंजीनियरिंग इंचार्ज श्री रामा राव ने केंद्र के कार्यप्रणाली से परिचित कराया।
This is called an electronic